Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to zoom in and out in Avast Secure Browser. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Avast Secure Browser. So, there's two ways and three ways, to zoom in and out in Avast Browser. Like all of the browser, you can click on Control, then use the scroll button, scroll up. To zoom out, just click Control again, hold it, then scroll out, scroll down. There you go. And the other way is by click on your keyboard only, using your keyboard, click on Control, then the plus sign. Hold the Control, then click plus. There you go. Then to zoom out, click the minus sign by holding the Control and then clicking the minus sign on your keyboard. And there you go. Another way to zoom in and out is by clicking right here. There you go. Zoom. By clicking the plus sign, it will zoom. And by clicking the minus sign, it will zoom out. And there you go. And there you go. That's how you zoom in and out in Avast Secure Browser. So, another way to zoom in and out in Avast Secure Browser is by clicking the three dots on the top right and then going down. Then by clicking settings, click on right here, appearance. After clicking on appearance, you will see down here page zoom. So once you zoom it, for example, we're gonna to zoom it, just click on the higher number. For example, 150, it will zoom. As you open a new tab, it is zoomed. And to zoom it out, just click a lower number. There you go. Now it's zoom out. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.